Many parents make pap the wrong way for babies and it ends up lumpy or too sour. Today I am showing you how to make raw, natural and healthy pap for babies. It is gentle, enough for babies and suitable for the whole family, completely from scratch, starting from real maize all the way to smooth baby ready pap, and I will show you in 2 easy methods. So stay tuned, this is the right way. The first step is sourcing maize at the market. You want clean dried maize. Look for grains that are not damaged or moldy. This is very important for baby food. I like to mix white and yellow maize, but you can also use only white if you prefer. Here is an alternative method from cob at home. If you don't have ready maize, you can also do it from scratch at home. Here is how. Peel the maize off the cob. 2. Spread the grains to dry under the sun for a few days until they are very hard. That is after peeling them out of the cob. And then the third one is, once dried, soak the maize in water. I like to add a little vinegar. This helps kill germs and make it safer for babies. And then soak for about 2 to 3 days, changing the water daily. This also helps softens the grains for milling. This method ensures your baby pap is hygienic, natural and smooth. Here we have ginger. Please note, for adults I like to add ginger because it gives the pap a nice flavor and makes it more refreshing. This step is optional and can be adjusted to taste. But ginger is not recommended for babies under 1 year. So if you are making for babies under 1 year, please avoid ginger. And for older babies, that is 1 year and above, ginger can be used very lightly, but it is optional. So after proper soaking and washing of the maize becomes soft and ready to grind. You can use a local milling machine just like that or a blender for small quantities. Grind it until it is very fine. This is the secret to smooth pap without lumps. The next step is squeezing and settling. Once milled or once blended, pour the mixture into a clean cloth or sieve and squeeze out excess water. Then leave it to settle for 12 to 24 hours. The thick paste at the bottom is your pap, smooth and ready to cook. This is the second day and it has settled properly. This water you are seeing here is a powerhouse. It is very medicinal. Yoruba call it omid. You can drink this early in the morning for detoxifying. It has a lot of health benefits. Now that I have removed excess water, I will now squeeze out the excess water again in it. Although you can make the pap immediately like this, but for easy storage, I will mold the pap into shape. This helps with easy storage and portioning, especially when preparing pap for babies or adults. So let's remove the excess water again with a fine cheesecloth. If you love my tips and recipes, then you will find even more in my exclusive ebooks or cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals, baking secrets, event planning, natural hair growth, solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step, my tiger nut business classes, and so on. Check the description box below for you to grab your ebooks or sign up for a class now. Let's level up together. This excess water we have here, you can still allow it to settle down again, and then you can get more pap from it. I have also shared another video where I show the traditional method of making ogi, also known as pap and akamu, and how to cook it properly without lump or sour taste for babies and for the whole family. The link to that video is in the description box below. Do check it out. And that is it, healthy pap for babies, made completely from scratch. Try this method at home and your baby will love it, and also other family members. Don't forget to follow us on our display social media handles. Let us become friends and advance together. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. For more baby food, recipes, lifestyle, tips, and more. Comment below if you want me to show you pap for weight gain for babies, toddlers, adults next. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below to grab your ebook and join any of our online classes. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in my next video.